job we're on today, we're on it for the next few weeks. Customers sort of had a few options on what he wanted to do. He looked at the timber, looked at creosote, swayed himself towards Clip-X because of longevity for future family life. So we looked at the Clip-X system for him. A lot of his ground when we're walking around it is fairly inaccessible ground. Thankfully 2 years ago, we purchased the Christie Easy Petrol Post Driver, and it's come into itself. We've done it on a few inaccessible grounds with the machine where it's just made life so much easier. For this job especially, we've got different size adapters that we've used for the posts, the corners, the lot, and it's been a godsend. We've now had this 2 years. I'd be lost without it. It really is a good machine, especially for this sort of ground. Even though when we get back onto good long stretches of the tractor, we should still be using it. We've tried to sort of use it on as many jobs as possible. Performance of the machine, this ground especially, has been absolutely superb. I mean, as we've been going on getting these Clip-X in, they go in lovely. Rocky ground tends to be a bit of a problem, but it perseveres, it keeps battering down. It takes a bit longer to knock a post, but we found you either bar a decent hole and get a good sort of hourglass shape, or you end up with the auger and you bore a hole out, and it's just a case of working with the two and see what sort of suits to areas of the fence line. As it stands at the minute with what use we've had with it, and it's had a fair bit of use, I don't think there's anything I would change. The adapters, they're straightforward, they're easy to use, you can swap them pretty quick between post to post. They are a fast acting machine, which we need. We don't want to be taking 5-10 minutes downtime to swap an adapter over or anything like that. 2 years ago we had a deer netting job, which we spoke to Laurie from Easy Petrol Post Drivers about. We said we'd bought one and we'd got really inaccessible ground. We were putting in 9-foot 3-4s down some really steep sort of ground. So we looked at the machines on the market. There was a numerous amount of them, but the one that sort of stood out to us was the Christie. It was a damn sight better machine. Yes, it's a little bit heavier duty, but that's what I want. It's going to take some hammer on the fence line. It's about 15-16 kilos, so no difference really to your man killer. And it's a machine that we bought for the reason that we could get on this ground that we couldn't get a machine on, and it's paid for itself. We purchased it for that reason, that it would make the job faster, that we could go on to the next job quicker, and we're not sort of holding customers up, and they're happier because they know that their work's being done and completed to a high standard, that they can rely on us at the end of the day. If they want any more work, give us a call and get us back in.